Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all are doing well on this snow day or first day of spring, however you want to look at it. Pretty incredible that tomorrow is going to be in the 60s. So while you guys are at your meeting for the International Summit, it'll be 60 degrees outside, and all the snow that's on my car right now will be gone. Anyway, what I wanted to show you guys was Edmodo, and if you don't prefer this platform after you take a look at what I show you in the next couple minutes, that's okay. I can find certainly another platform in time for the summit. It's not a big deal. Before I get into that, though, I'm looking at the Rockridge webpage right now. I was wondering if you guys wanted to have a channel that had International Summit written on it. I can create that, no problem. That way everything is pretty easy for everyone to find, and then of course I can also create a quick link for it as well. You guys discuss that, and if you want it, I can certainly create it. It's not a big deal. Just got done with the BYOT channel, so I can create the International Summit one, no problem. And that's actually where we can stream everything, but I was kind of thinking that we stream everything right here in the middle of our home page. You guys let me know what you want to do with that, and I'll just make it happen. That's not a big deal at all. Okay, so what I've done temporarily is I've created a link to Edmodo. So when you guys are meeting or before you get to the meeting, you can always test going to Edmodo by just clicking on this site right here. Click accept, of course. And this is a platform that's given to Loudoun County teachers for free. And because I've created the International Summit group, anyone who joins it automatically is enrolled for free as well. So let me go ahead and log in. Taking its time. Alright, and what you see is something that looks pretty similar to Facebook. You know, a lot of teachers actually prefer using this to Vision. It wasn't something that I used in the classroom. I was a pretty avid Vision person, so I preferred that. But I think for our purposes here with the International Summit, I think that this is the way to go, like I told Kevin. Only because it's secure, and again, it's just like Facebook, so I feel like most of the students around the world would be familiar with it. I could be wrong on that. I apologize for coming up with that assertion, or that assumption rather, but anyway. So just like Facebook, folks can post right here in the middle. You can see that I just posted about 5 minutes ago, welcome to the International Summit in Loudoun County. Other people can post. Anyone who is a member, they can go ahead and post right here in the middle. What I like as well is if there's an event coming up, you can type an alert, and basically that'll go out to the entire group as well. That's a pretty cool little feature right there. An assignment, if you want them to do a blog and you don't want to do it the same way as a note, you can always create an assignment. I think that might be a little bit advanced. Probably not exactly what you're looking for. You probably just want to hover more about the notes section so that everyone can see those blogs. But we can always get into that a little bit more if you approve this platform. The quiz is pretty cool. You can always have like the kids create like a quiz regarding traditions, customs from their own countries, and see how much you know, kids from other countries know about that. You know, who knows? I think that it might be a nice little creative idea that you guys can post there. I love the polling idea. I think that, you know, kids can come up with a pretty nice little poll right there, add the answer, and just see who gets the question right. I think that they would like that. The snapshot, of course, adding pictures, not a big deal. Right now it's tied to standards, which of course I can always change. It doesn't need to be, you know, anything dealing with grade level or subject area over here. As you can see, that's obviously not what you guys are trying to do. There's some additional features here. There's an app store, managing your apps, and an apps launcher, and then these are two apps that automatically come installed on this particular platform. So Not sure if that's something that you want to do, but we can certainly explore that. When you log in, of course, you can look at the App Store and see what apps are for free. There are a lot of apps that you can purchase. I'm not quite sure we want to go that route, but you can take a look at that if you want. To join, very simple. The unlock code is right here. There's a join URL that you can send directly to people to invite them. So let me go ahead and click that. Well, let's see. Actually, let's just send by email. Sorry about that. My internet is going very slow. I apologize. I'm not trying to bore you all. So now I've just sent that to Kevin Briscoe. And it could be just as simple as that. The group code is right here. Of course, we don't want to broadcast that. We want to kind of keep it private. And we can arrange for folks to just get that from their teachers, get it from anyone who's administering this page. Like I told Kevin yesterday, and I said in that email that I sent all of you all, it doesn't bother me if I give up this this page. We can certainly recreate it, have Kevin as the administrator. I don't feel like it's my place to be the administrator. I'm just the tech support. So, but I'm more than happy to help out however I can. The administrator gets to monitor all the posts that are there and actually has the ability to delete those. And of course, I can show you how to do that as well. The member portion right here will be pretty cool. You can create folders, you can monitor posts like I said, so very simple stuff. What I'm going to do is in the next couple minutes after I finish recording this, I'll go ahead and send the instructions, the join URL along with the unlock code so that you guys can register, play around on this site at your meeting tomorrow and basically say yay or nay whether or not you want to use this platform. Again, won't hurt my feelings if you say no. I certainly have some other ideas that I can share with you all, but I thought that this one would be a pretty good one. So there you go. Thanks so much for your time. Good luck, and I look forward to working with you all on the International Summit. As I told Kevin and Dawn, we'll implement our active tables, our Promethean boards. We'll involve technology quite a bit on this summit just to really impress folks at this great event. So have a great day. Enjoy the meeting. And I'll be in touch.